Do you drink coffee every morning and prefer it with milk but want cheaper and homemade option? Today I'll show you how to make smooth oat milk using just two simple ingredients. Welcome back to Homemade Processed Foods. You know, my wife loves drinking coffee with milk, and her milk of choice is oat milk. If you're like her, whether for taste, health, or budget reasons, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to make oat milk at home using just two ingredients. No additives, no preservatives, and no special equipment. For the ingredients, you only need 1 cup rolled oats and 4 cups cold water. That's it. First, place the rolled oats and the cold water into the blender. So for the oats, I need 1 cup. Into the blender. Then 4 cups cold water. Then blend for about 30 to 40 seconds, just enough to break down the oats. Then strain the mixture using a fine mesh strainer or a clean cloth or nut milk bag. Then transfer the oat milk into a clean, airtight container. And so you have your own oat milk made at home. Store it inside the refrigerator, and this oat milk is best consumed within 2 to 3 days. If you want to improve the taste, you may add 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey for light sweetness or a pinch of salt to enhance flavor. You can also use this oat milk for tea, smoothies, and breakfast cereals. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Homemade Processed Foods. Thank you for watching. God bless.